Fine Elevation Adjustment Installation. Hi, this is Scott with Hi-Lux Optics. If you expect to frequently adjust elevation on your Malcolm 6-power long rifle telescope, you may opt to use the Fine Elevation Adjustment Set. The FEASET is a bolt-on upgrade to the rear scope mount. It allows you to adjust the elevation on the Malcolm 6-power long scope without having to manually loosen and raise the scope block. First, you will need to loosen the thumb screw on the right side of the rabbit ear bracket and remove the standard crossbolt from the rear mount. Be sure to keep the flat washer and split washer. Next, attach the side bracket of the Fine Elevation Adjustment Set to the left side of the rear mount. Tighten the two screws to secure the side bracket in place. Next, grab the replacement crossbolt with the threads facing to the right and the thick part of the split block closer to you. Thread the Fine Elevation Adjustment screw through the hole on top of the crossbolt split block about a ½ inch. Place the Fine Elevation Adjustment screw into the side bracket. We recommend putting the screw knob on top. However, the screw can be positioned either way. Position the screw knob so that the non-threaded portion is sitting on the side bracket's top groove. Thread the crossbolt through the hole on the scope block. Put the flat washer, split washer, and elevation thumb screw on the other side crossbolt to keep the Fine Elevation Adjustment Set in place. To lock the adjustment, tighten the elevation thumb screw until finger tight. To make adjustments, you will need to loosen the elevation thumb screw and turn the Fine Elevation Adjustment screw accordingly. Turning the Fine Elevation Adjustment screw clockwise will raise your point of impact, and turning the Fine Elevation Adjustment screw counterclockwise will lower your point of impact. If you notice any backlash on the Fine Elevation Adjustment screw, you can tighten set screws.